These are the 3 ways to make money through investments. No doubt, if you're gonna invest your money in this area, then consider yourself to be one of the millionaires in the next coming 20 years or 30 years. After doing my research, if you have a lot of money and you wanna invest them, never waste your time. Start with this thing that I'm gonna tell you. So the very first thing on the list is to invest into your self-education. You see, if you are somebody who is good at graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, programming, coding, artificial intelligence master, then you can be making a lot of money in the next coming future. So if you have millions of money or some huge amount of money and you want to invest, all you need to do is to go back to school, learn a good skill, take the best course, and at the end, when you graduate, come out and sell your service or skills to people. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork offers the best way to do this. And if you're a freelancer, you'll be making a lot of money. So if you want to invest your money in 2025, then the very first thing I'm going to tell you is to invest into your self-education. Moving on to the next way to invest your money. If you want to gain financial freedom at the age of 40 years, 50 years, then the next thing I'm going to tell you is to invest into stocks. All right, guys, don't save that money. Don't give that money to the bank. All you have to do is to start investing into stocks. Simple way to understand investing into stocks. When you invest into stocks, you are giving your money to those companies. For example, if you invest into Apple, Tesla, Amazon, you have lent your money to these companies and they will use this to run their product, promote that business. And when they make profit, you will receive interest in the form of dividends. All right, so if you buy Apple shares, you own a piece of cake in Apple company and you will continue to receive interest until you sell this investment. So why don't you become part of Apple company, Amazon, Manchester United, and gain your financial freedom? It's very, very simple. So if you want to do this, then you can use the Bamboo Investment app or the moomoo trading app to do this. It's super simple. All you have to do is to buy stocks. How to use the Bamboo Investment app, I have a full video. The link will be in the description box, or you can also watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Let's move on to the third way to invest your money in 2025. All right, so the third way to invest your money is to set up a business. Listen, if you want to gain financial freedom, all you have to do is to solve people's problems. And if you are good at something, then just set up your own business. You can enter into the tech industry, the agricultural industry. Think of any business that you can do with that money and start. Guys, if you're a lady, you can start cooking and selling it to people. When you are able to establish this, you can make a lot of money from the money that you are having. You can set up your own barbering salon, then start rendering services to people. And even if you don't want to set up physical store, websites like Shopify, WooCommerce gives you the opportunity to set up an online store. You can start mini importations, and over time, when you see your business booming, you can multiply this business. All you have to do is to level up. In terms of delivery, in terms of packaging, in terms of anything that can take your business to the next level. So if you have any amount and you want to invest, then these are the 3 ways that you can invest your money. It's super simple. Without wasting much of your time, hand to head, salute.